Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Sergio, PcShed here, giving you a bit of an update on the Thermaltake P5 build. So as you can see, a little bit different from the last video. So as you can see, we've firstly installed the Bitspower 400mm reservoir, the 5 pump at the bottom, and we also put some anti-vibration at the back of the pump as well, so keep it nice and quiet. Fittings wise, the boot loop has not been done yet, but at least you get an idea. So we got a MC waterblock by EK fittings with EK bends with Monsoon's fittings, and there's going to be a rigid hard tubing loop. Graphics cards, we've got 3 680s, 2 are the same, one is slightly different, but I just put it there just to see how it would look, and it kind of virtually dominates the board. I mean, the board is quite a big board, but when you put the graphics cards is actually longer than the motherboard. It's quite funny. So the power supply, AX1200, so it tucks all the wires, so it's nice and tidy. There will be no custom cables on this build. It's going to be virtually black. So the loop, at the moment, I've not decided which route, so I'm just playing around, but the reservoir is connected directly to the pump, as you can see, and that goes straight. That was a pain in the arse to do this because of the spacing I had to play with. This radiator, Coolgate G2, 480mm, 65mm width thickness, comes only with one inlet, one outlet. So my options is limited, because in essence what you would use for is for multi-radiator setup. So I decided to inlet to the pump goes into the reservoir, goes out, nice and cool, straight in, and the inlet of the CPU water block comes out, and I have to do a bit of a bend. I'm not sure how we'll do that, maybe through there and straight up. Oh no, they're still playing with it, and that would cool 1, 2, 3 cards. Now here, I'm not sure. I could either bring it out forward, I'm playing with the idea of maybe tucking away and going and then straight up. That's one possibility. Or take this away completely and just come across in and straight up and connect to the top. So I will do a trial fit with some soft tubing first to see what it would look like, give me an idea before committing to hard tubing. Hard tubing wise, I'm going to go with clear. I was playing with the idea of going red. I even got some black as well. Now you can see that. Oh, let's see if I can get it out. That is what I was planning to do, but I think that'll be too much. So with clear, you can decide what colour fluid you'll put in. If you commit to hard tubing, which is already coloured, yeah, you won't be able to really change the colour at all, because you won't be able to see it. So there you go. So just a quick little video to see where we're at. Next steps would be to do a loop. We're just using soft tubing. I've got lots of tubing there. I've got a bunch of Primo Chill. I've got EK, Mayhem's. So Mayhem's Ultra Clear is probably the cheapest, about $169 a meter. So I'll be able to do like a clear loop first, see what that looks like, plus just test all the fitting, make sure there's no leaks before committing, spending ages bending tubing. So there you are. So the next update will probably be in a week's time, because I am doing this pretty much 20 minutes, half an hour each day trying to fit everything in. But well, I mean, it's not looking not bad. It's a shame because this card here, I've been looking to find another 680 of the same length, and they all have different back plates. But the purpose of this PC is to see, can all hardware like the 680 with the GTX 4GB card, which is a great card by the way, having 3-in-1 SLI, can they play modern games? And the CPU as well is a double test really. The CPU is the AMD's 9598 core 4.7 default boost to 5GB CPU, which is renowned running hot. So we should see how that performs when it's water cooled, together with some old graphics cards. But the hard drive that we're actually putting on this for the operating system, we've got a 850 EVA 500GB. That's for the operating system, and probably a couple of terabytes of storage for games or media, the photos, videos, etc. But there you go. So if you like what you're seeing, please let us know. Give us some comments or give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. But I'm actually quite intrigued to find out how this thing will perform playing modern games, because believe it or not, 3 680s 4GB cards in tri-sli can actually play 4K. I know, shocking. Bye.